Hello friends, these tips come directly from technicians who work at this appliance repair shop and have plenty of experience with these types of issues. So let's get this sorted out. The first thing to understand is that the machine is trying to warn you about a problem related to airflow or internal temperature. At the shop, we've seen several cases where clients tell us the dryer stops after a few minutes and shows F1 just when the clothes should be heating up. This usually indicates that the system detected a fault and is protecting itself to prevent damage. In many cases, the lint filter plays a bigger role than it seems. We've had clients tell us, "I cleaned the filter on the outside, but the error came back on the next cycle," which usually points to a partially blocked internal duct or the grill behind the filter. Our shop technicians always check the entire airflow path because even a small blockage can make the dryer think there's an overheating problem. Another point that often goes unnoticed is the external vent. Some clients mention that their dryer worked perfectly until dust or lint built up in the duct going outside. At the shop, we explain that any restriction at this exit prevents the machine from expelling heat properly, which triggers F1 to protect the internal elements in the motor. Additionally, very large or overly wet loads can create the same effect. We've seen clients put in thick blankets or comforters, and although the dryer runs, F1 appears after a few minutes. Here, the technicians say this happens because the dryer needs more time to ventilate and heat the load properly, and if it can't, the sensors interpret it as a fault and stop the cycle. It's not always about filters or ventilation. In some cases, the temperature sensor or control board may be sending incorrect readings. Some clients notice the error shows up intermittently, disappears when they restart the dryer, and then comes back. This usually indicates a failing sensor or that the electronics aren't receiving the signal properly, something that requires professional diagnosis to avoid unnecessary part replacements. In the meantime, a quick solution we recommend at the shop is a full reset. Unplug the dryer for a few minutes and then plug it back in. This can clear temporary errors caused by erratic sensor readings or momentary overloads. However, if F1 keeps coming back, we know there's a real problem that needs technical attention.